Hey everyone, welcome back to Family Fire 2025. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we talk about all things related to financial independence, retiring early, and living your best life. Today, we have a super interesting topic to discuss: the role of retirement accounts like 401k and IRA in achieving financial independence, retire early. I'm sure you've heard about these accounts before, but do you really know how they can help you reach financial independence? If not, don't worry, we've got you covered. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive in. In this video, we'll be covering 1. The basics of retirement accounts, such as 401k and IRA. 2. How they can help you achieve financial independence. 3. Tips and strategies for maximizing their benefits. 4. Real-life examples of people who've successfully used retirement accounts to reach FIRE. Let's start by quickly going over the basics of retirement accounts. There are two main types of retirement accounts in the United States: the 401k and the IRA, also known as the individual retirement account. The 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement plan. It allows you to save and invest a portion of your paycheck before taxes are taken out, which lowers your taxable income. The best part: many employers offer matching contributions, essentially giving you free money to invest in your future. As for the IRA, on the other hand, is an individual retirement account that you set up independently. There are two types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. The main difference is the way they're taxed. With a traditional IRA, your contributions are tax deductible, but you'll pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars, but your withdrawals are tax-free in retirement. Now that we've covered the basics, let's see how these accounts can help you reach financial independence. The main advantage of retirement accounts is that they allow you to grow your investments tax-free or tax-deferred. This means you can compound your money faster, which is crucial in achieving FIRE. Let me break it down for you with an example. Let's say you're 25 years old and you start contributing $500 per month to a Roth IRA. Assuming an annual return of 7% by the time you're 65, you'll have a whopping $1.34 million, and that's all tax-free. But it's not just about the tax advantages. Retirement accounts also encourage disciplined saving and investing habits, which are key to achieving financial independence. By consistently contributing to these accounts, you're creating a solid foundation for your future. Now that we know how retirement accounts can help you achieve FIRE, let's talk about some tips and strategies to maximize their benefits. 1. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Make it a priority to contribute consistently to your retirement accounts, even if it's just a small amount. 2. If your employer offers a 401k match, be sure to contribute at least enough to get the full match. This is essentially free money that can accelerate your path to financial independence. 3. When investing within your retirement accounts, go for low-cost index funds or ETF that track the overall market. This strategy, called passive investing, has been proven to outperform most actively managed funds in the long run. Plus, it keeps your investment costs low, which means more money stays in your pocket. 4. If you plan to retire early, you'll need a strategy to access your retirement funds without incurring penalties. One popular method is the Roth IRA conversion ladder. This involves converting a portion of your traditional IRA or 401k to a Roth IRA each year, paying taxes on the converted amount, and then waiting 5 years to access those funds penalty-free. 5. As you get closer to your desired retirement age, It's essential to adjust your investment mix to be more conservative. This helps protect your nest egg from market fluctuations. Make sure to rebalance your portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Now let's look at some inspiring real-life examples of people who've used retirement accounts to reach financial independence. Sarah, a software engineer, started contributing to her 401k and Roth IRA at the age of 22. With her employer's generous match and her diligent investing in low-cost index funds, she managed to amass a retirement portfolio of over $1 million by the age of 35. By maintaining a frugal lifestyle and leveraging her investments, Sarah was able to retire early and now spends her days traveling the world. Mike and Lisa, a couple in their early 30s, made it their mission to reach financial independence within 10 years. They maxed out their retirement accounts, including 401k and IRA, and invested in low-cost index funds. By living below their means and focusing on saving and investing, they were able to retire in their early 40s with a combined retirement portfolio of $2 million. These examples show that with discipline, consistency, and smart investing strategies, retirement accounts can play a pivotal role in helping you achieve FIRE. In summary, retirement accounts like 401k and IRA are powerful tools for achieving financial independence. By understanding their benefits, taking advantage of tax advantages, and employing smart investment strategies, you can grow your wealth and accelerate your path to FIRE. Remember, the key is to start early, contribute consistently, and stay disciplined in your journey. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Family FIRE 2025 for more content like this. And if you have any questions or experiences related to retirement accounts and FIRE, please share them in the comments below. As always, thank you for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep pursuing your dreams and working towards financial independence.